All her family members went to the party, but Martha did not go. All the participants wrote a feedback, but Simone did not write. All the children completed their homework, but John did not complete. All the people danced in the party, but Raghav did not dance. In all these sentences, I was making use of simple past tense in which we have to use the second form of verb. And in negative sentences, we make use of did not with the first form of verb. So I said that all her family members went to the party. So went is the second form of go. This is a positive sentence, but when I made a negative sentence, I added did not, and with did not, I had to make use of the first form of verb. So the sentence became Martha did not go. So all her family members went to the party, but Martha did not go. I see a lot of students making mistakes here where by mistake they use second form of verb with did not. So do remember with did not we have to make use of first form of verb. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.